How to download videos on Facebook in HD. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then search for facebook.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, we'll have to go to this videos option, and then after that, it will show you different videos that you can download. But if you want to find videos with a specific topic, all you need to do is to go to the search bar and then type the topic that you want. So as an example, I'm going to look for journaling videos. After that, tap on search. And as you can see here, it is now showing me videos about journaling. All I need to do is to open the video. After that, we'll have to go on top and then copy this link. Once we're done copying the link, we'll have to open another browser and then search for Facebook Video Downloader. After that, we'll have to tap on this first website, and then in here what we need to do is to paste the link that we just copied. After that, tap on this download option, and then in here you will be given two choices on how you want to download the video. You can download the video in normal quality, and then you can also download the video in HD quality. Since we're trying to download a video in HD quality, we'll have to tap on this one. And after that, as you can see, it automatically process and start downloading the video. What we need to do is to wait for the video to be downloaded. Once it's done, we'll just have to tap on this one. And as you can see, the video is now downloaded on my laptop. So that's how easy you can download videos on Facebook in HD. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!